rain check, 'cause we were tired. Will it ever rain again? 'Cause we went home, 'cause we were lonely. Hey, what might have been, well, what it was what it was, and I think too much what it was. What it was what we needed, at least I think so. Light at the end of the end, and avoid not to be avoided. But come closer, 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 closer. Chance meeting, and you took the chance, and my space was yours, and your trust was not misplaced. Spark in the dark, but a flame will die over time. And did you make love with me in your mind, with your fingers dancing, or was it just the fact that I wasn't there, that I wasn't there? Yeah, no, check it out. Not in, not part, but independent of all thought. No need to be looking in from the outside, wishing and watching, and sometimes even wanting not to be the one that nobody understands, that nobody understands. Might have been the sea bug eating all the fish shit. Maybe I'm the bear rug that you want to wipe your feet with. Maybe I'm the tiny brat that is doing dirty deeds. Maybe I am all those things, but baby, you are too. So what it was what it was, and I think too much what it was what it was what we needed, what it was what it was, and I think too much, well, what it was what it was, and I'm still looking in from the outside, and I am looking in from the outside, I am looking in from the outside, yeah, and I am looking in from the outside.